Scientists have warned that brand new water bottles that we buy contain bisphenol A, or BPA, which can be harmful to our health. They found that even the bottles labeled as BPA-free actually contained harmful levels of the chemical left over from the manufacturing process. BPA is an endocrine disruptor, and it can interfere with the functions of natural hormones in our body. Some health complications involve the cardiovascular system along with other systems and cause all kinds of horrible diseases. These include irregular heart rhythms, diabetes, or even Alzheimer's disease. Scientists recommended that washing the bottles after purchase in the dishwasher is a good idea, as dishwasher showed much better BPA removal than only rinsing or washing using soap. It was found that the bottles showed release of BPA even after up to 6 times of washing, and after that point, there was no longer any detectable release of BPA. Lastly, it is also a good idea to follow a manufacturer's wash instructions on water bottles or other containers.